Hello class, I welcome you all to this session. This session we are going to discuss exercise problem 49. A, B, C were partners in a firm having a capital of 50,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh respectively. Their current account balance were A 10,000, B 5,000 and C 2,000, a debit balance which is a negative balance. According to the partnership deed, the partners were entitled to an interest on capital at 10% per annum. C, being the working partner, was also entitled to a salary of 12,000 per annum. The profits are to be distributed as the first 20,000 is to be apportioned to their in proportion to their capitals, which is 50,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh, which is otherwise in the ratio I put it as 1:1:2. Next to 30,000 in the ratio of 5:3:2, and the remaining profit to be equally shared. The firm earned a net profit of rupees 1,72,000 before charging any of the above items. Prepare P&L appropriation account and pass necessary journal entry for the appropriation of profits. So I am just going to prepare the P&L appropriation account. Now what is the format? Okay. In fact, this is the debit side. This is the credit side. You have the amounts coming here. Particulars. By P&L account. This will be the format, right? So you will bring down the net profit. What is the net profit given in the question? It's 1,72,000. You can see here. So I'm just writing it here, 1,72,000. They have clearly given before charging any of the above item. So which means they have brought it down from the P&L account. Then interest on capital is 10% per annum. So I'm going to write to interest on capital A 50,000 into 10% because A has contributed 50,000, B has also contributed 50,000 and C has contributed 1 lakh. Okay, so it comes to 5,000, 5,000 and 10,000. So totally you have 20,000. Okay. The next step, you have C has a working partner entitled to salary of 12,000 per annum. So to C's salary account, you have 12,000. After that, do you have anything else? The answer is no. We have a small working note to be done. Whatever is the profit, first it has to be apportioned. First 20,000 in the ratio of 1:2 and next to 30,000 in the ratio 5:3:2, and whatever is the remaining will be shared equally. So I'll just calculate what is the profit. So 1,72,000 is the balance. Minus 12,000 and 20,000, which is 32,000. So you get 1,40,000 as your total profits. So two profits transferred to A's capital account, B's capital account and C's capital account. So this is what you have to find out, how much is to be transferred to A's, B's and C's capital account. So working note, calculation to find the amount of profits that has to be transferred to respective partners' capital account. Okay, so this is the we need to do a working note. So total profits is 1,40,000. The first 20,000 needs to be apportioned in the ratio 1:1:2. So 20,000 divided by 4, I get 5,000. So 5,000 and 10,000 will be the apportioned value. Okay, the next 30,000 to be apportioned in the ratio 5:3:2, which comes to 10. 5 plus 3 plus 2 is 10. So 30,000 divided by 10 will be 3,000. 3,000 multiplied by 5 will be 15,000. 3,000 multiplied by 3, 9,000. 3,000 multiplied by 2, 6,000. Now whatever is the remaining after this, 50,000 you are deducting, so totally 90,000 is available. Remaining profits to be divided equally. This is the condition. So 30,000, 30,000 and 30,000. So how much should A get as profit? 20 plus 30, 50,000. 39 plus 5, 39 plus 5, 44,000. 10, 6, 19, 19,000. Sorry, 46,000. This is 30,000, na? So this amount we need to write it here. 50,000, 44,000 and 46,000. Totally you are getting 1,40,000. So this we have completed the P&L appropriation account. Now what we have to do is we need to do pass necessary journal entry for the appropriation of profits. Now journal entry, I am just going to pass it this way. Interest on capital account debit to A's current account, to B's current account, to C's current account. Okay, so this is debit and this is credit. What is the interest on capital? You have 5,000, 5,000 and 10,000. So I am just going to write it like this. 5,000, 5,000, 10,000, total 20,000. After this, you can write being interest on partners' capital allowed to partners. The second journal entry will be C salary. So C salary 12,000. Salary account debit to C's current account. it is 12,000 and 12,000. Then last entry, P&L appropriation account debit to A's current account to B's current account to C's current account. Okay, so A's current account, B's current account and C's current account. Here 1,40,000, here 50,000, 40,000, not 40,000, 44,000, so 46,000. So this is a final entry. Okay, so why we are using current account? See, it has been mentioned as current account, which means the partnership is following fixed method. Only when you are following fixed method, you will be having current account as well as capital account. So here too, instead of writing capital account, you can write it as current account. Okay, so current account will be right. So this is how you need to pass the journal entry. Interest on capital account debit to A's current account, B's current account, C's current account. Salary account debit to C's current account, and P&L appropriation account to A's current account, B's current account and C's current account. I hope that this problem is clear. The next question that you are going to look into, exercise 50. A, B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2 with capitals of rupees 50,000 and rupees 30,000 respectively. Interest on capital is agreed at 6% per annum. B is to be allowed an annual salary of rupees 2,500. See, it is annual salary which is per annum. Sometimes students may think that this is per month, so be careful while you are reading the problem. During the year, profits prior to interest on capital but after charging B's salary amounted to 12,500. Is it correct? During the year, profit prior to interest on capital. Interest on capital is a P&L appropriation account. Similarly, B's salary, because B is a partner, so B's salary also you need to take it to the P&L appropriation account. But is it right after charging B's salary, which means you need to add back the B's salary? A provision of 5% of the profits is to be made in respect of manager's commission. Prepare an account showing the allocation of profits and the partner's capital account. Now they are asking you allocation of profits, which is nothing but P&L appropriation account and partner's capital account. So first let us prepare the P&L account, because there is one mistake that they have done. After charging B's salary. B's salary is what item? P&L appropriation account. So P&L appropriation account, you cannot include it in P&L account. P&L account, we need to find out what is the real profit that needs to be transferred to the P&L appropriation account. So I'm just taking it as debit, credit. Please write particulars rupees and all. Now by profits before B's salary. What is the profits? Profits given in the question. $12,500. What is B's salary? 2,500. So plus 2,500. You have 15,000 here. After this, you have manager's commission. Manager is an employee of the firm. He is not the partner. So it has to be shown in P&L account. So 2, manager's commission. Okay. So 5% of profits. What is 5% of profits? Profits is 15,000. So 15,000 into 5%. So 10% will be 1,500. Divided by 2 will be 5%, which is 750. Okay. And whatever is the profit after this should go to P&L appropriation account. Profits transferred to P&L appropriation account. So P&L appropriation account is 14,250. So 15,000 and 15,000. After this, P&L appropriation account, please write particulars, rupees and all. Okay. So by profit and loss account, I am bringing down this balance, which is the net profit. Okay, 14,250. What are the appropriations from this 14,250? You have to give interest on capital, which is 6% per annum on the capital, 50,000 and 30,000. So 2, interest on capital, A, 50,000 into 6%, B, 30,000 into 6%. So it comes to 3,000 and 1,800. So totally 4,800 will be the interest on capital. Now next one is the B salary. 2,500 wrongly deducted from the profit in the P&L account is added back. Now we need to take it to the P&L appropriation account. 2, B's salary. What is B's salary? 2,500. After this, anything else? Nothing. Manager's commission is done in P&L account. Nothing. So we will just take it to profits transferred to A's capital account and B's capital account. So how much is the profit? The total is 14,250 minus 4,800 minus 2,500. The total profits is 6,950, which needs to be apportioned in the profit sharing ratio, which is 3:2. So if we share it in 3:2, 6,950 divided by 5 into 3, 4,170, and 4,170 is for 3. What is for 2? You get 2,780. How did I get this? 6,950 divided by 5 into 2. Okay. So if you are doing this, we have completed the P&L appropriation account. Next we have to do partners capital account. So how many partners? There are 2 partners. So you have A and B. Okay, so by balance brought down, always capital should be having opening balance on the credit side. So 50,000 and 30,000. Anything that increases your capital will be credited by interest on capital, which is 3,000 and 1,800, by salary 2,500 only for B, by profits, that is P&L appropriation account, profits. How much is the profits? It is 4,170 and 2,780. The total onto your credit side, 53,000 plus 4,000, which is 57,170. Here 30,000 plus 1,800 plus 2,500 plus 2,780, 37,080. Okay, so I'm just going to write the total here. So to balance, we will close this account. Balance carried down 57,170 and 37,080. So we have completed whatever is asked. P&L account, P&L appropriation account, and partners capital account. I thank you, class. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.